Hi guys, in this video I will show you some problems on a Volkswagen Passat B6 2.0 TDI diesel over 250 miles or 400,000 kilometers. So we are here in a Volkswagen Passat B6 2.0 TDI or diesel with 140 horsepower with 250,000 miles or 444,000 kilometers. So this car has been driven for over 10 years and approximately 130 miles or 220,000 kilometers from the moment he bought it from Germany, with approximately 125 miles or 200,000 kilometers on its odometer. He told us what problems he had on this car. If you can see, the car has a dual shift gearbox. So first, the owner replaced the ECU or engine control unit because at one point the car stopped running. You can find all the information about this problem in the video description below. Then the owner told us that he put some low quality fuel in the tank, and for that he had to clean the inside of the intake manifold and EGR valve. So here is the intake manifold and here is the EGR valve. Also on this Passat had some problems with some servo motors, especially V159 and V158 from the HVAC, heating, ventilation, air conditioner system. You can find more details related to those servo motors on how to replace it, remove it or fix it in the video description below. Because the car is old, the rust is all over the body, on the side of the car, also in the back. There is more rust in the back, on the back. And also on the bonnet. And one of the biggest issue on this car is the Dsg transmission. The owner told us that when he wants to put the gear shift selector in reverse, the Dsg transmission is making some noises and it doesn't work properly from the first time. So the driver has to turn the ignition off and then put it back on and try again until it's working. So for that, the Dsg transmission on this car should be replaced or repaired immediately. So these are the serious problems that the owner had with this Volkswagen Passat B6 from 2010. So tell us in the comments if you had problems with this Volkswagen Passat B6 also. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.